Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 or this update on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run this PowerShell command. This command is provided in the video description. So type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now once this is done, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now run the third command. Once done, run the last command. Now once this is complete, restart your PC. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Now once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to again automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click, click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down at the bottom somewhere you will find Windows Update, make a double click. Set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Once this is done, now you can go back to Windows settings, Windows Update. If you see retry option, you can hit retry, install it once again. Still not working, the next step is to run these commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box. Make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083769 or the other update. Click on search and then let me change the language over here. Type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and check your Windows version. In my case the version is 25H2. And then check your system type, open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Here you can see the system type in my case is 64-bit operating system. Now, so for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5083769 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then follow the on-screen instruction and then you can install this update manually and then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, close all third-party application. Like if you have you make sure only the update is running, rest close everything. Also uninstall third-party anti-cheat program like Faceit, Anti-Cheat, Riot, Vanguard or any kind of any anti-cheat program running on a computer, close it. Restart your PC and then not only close, you have to uninstall it, restart PC and then update. If you have any third-party antivirus like Avast, Norton, Bitdefender, McAfee, whichever antivirus program you have, you can disable your antivirus program while installing the update. Once you're done installing the update, enable your antivirus program once again. Next step is to open Windows settings. Still not working, then go to Windows Update, go to Advanced option. Here click on recovery option And here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, log into the computer and then you can check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and then let this close automatically. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow and then click on next, click on accept, and over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.